Okay, now we have seen that radius and energy of the orbit expressions. Now we have seen just now the energy of the electron. So energy of the electron having the discrete values, they are restricted, that depends upon the n value. That depends upon the n value. That's why energy of the electron is quantized. And one more thing, when electron is far away from the nucleus, there is no force of attraction. So that is, you can say, remote of electron, the free electronic state. Generally they are unstable. When electron is present in the atom, then only that will become stable. Is it clear? So when electron is present in the atom, that is a stable, and energy is also quantized. So energy of the electron have the fixed or discrete values. They are depends upon the n value. And now we'll see the derivation for Rydberg equation. So what is it? Derivation for Rydberg equation. Already we have seen that Rydberg's constant in that when we are discussing the hydrogen spectrum. Hydrogen spectrum. So how we can derive that? So you know, when electron present in the stationary orbit, it neither lost the energy nor gained the energy. Yes or no? So by giving some amount of energy or by heating or whatever the source we are giving from outside, so electron jumps from lower energy level to higher energy level. Yes or no? Lower energy level you can take E1, higher energy level you can take E2. So that is actually unstable. But when electron jumps from higher to lower energy level, that emits the energy to get the stability. Lesser energy, more stable. Is it clear? Now you can see that delta En is equal to E2 minus E1. You know this one. Change in the energy will be calculated. Delta En is equal to En2 minus energy of the electron at higher orbit, energy of the electron at lower orbit. That is En2 is equal to minus 2 pi square Me4 by h square 1 by N2 square. Energy at higher orbit. Energy at the lower orbit minus 2 pi square Me4 by h square 1 by N1 square. 1 by N1 square. So now we can substitute the values. Delta En is equal to 2 pi square Me4 h square 1 by N1 square minus 1 by N2 square. Simply we are substituting the En2 value here, En1 value here. After substituting this one, we will get this one. What is that? 2 pi square Me4 by h square of 1 by N1 square minus 1 by N2 square. So you know E is equal to h nu. So mu is equal to, you know, what is the mu is equal to by lambda. So mu is equal to C mu bar. Why? Because mu bar is equal to 1 by lambda. You all are familiar with this. So E is equal to h mu is equal to C mu bar. Just add that. So we are substituting this energies here. E is equal to C mu bar. So mu bar I have written here. Mu bar is equal to 1 by lambda, that is equal to 2 pi square Me4 by Ch cube of 1 by N1 square minus 1 by N2 square. So RH is equal to 2 pi square Me4 by Ch cube. RH is equal to 2 pi square Me4 by Ch cube. The value is 109,681. The value of Rydberg constant, that is 109,681 centimeter inverse. This is the Rydberg's constant. What is that? Rydberg's constant. The value 1, you know this value, these are all we have to find. Pi value we know, M value we know, mass of the electron, charge of the electron, velocity of the light. S is a Planck's constant. Yes or no? That is why we want to write mu bar is equal to 1 by lambda is equal to RH 1 by N1 square bar minus 1 by N2 square. 1 by N1 square minus 1 by N2 square. Is it clear? Is it clear? Suppose hydrogen like species, what is that? Mu bar is equal to 1 by lambda is equal to RH 1 by N1 square minus 1 by N2 square Z. Is it clear? Z square. This is a Rydberg constant. Now we will see the calculation of velocity of electron. So for the calculation of velocity of electron, we have to know that what is the angular momentum, that is mvr is equal to nh by 2 pi. So v is equal to nh by 2 pi m into 1 by r. That is the radius of the orbit. What is the radius of the orbit? Rn is equal to n square h square by 4 pi square me square. What is that? N square h square by 4 pi square me square. So if you substitute this r value here, then finally you will get Vn is equal to 2 pi e square by nh. Substitute the pi value, charge of the electron, Planck's constant. Vn is equal to 2.18 into 10 to the power of 8 by n 10 to the power of 8 by n centimeter per second. This is hydrogen. Hydrogen like species. 2.18 into 10 to the power of 8 z by n centimeter per second. This is hydrogen like species. This is the velocity of electron. That is mvr, angular momentum, is equal to, that is integral multiple of h by 2 pi, velocity nh by 2 pi m into 1 by r. R value, radius of the orbit, n square h square by 4 pi square me square. So if you substitute the r, you will get a 2 pi e square by n h. So Vn is equal to 2.18 into 10 to the power of 8 centimeter second. That is hydrogen. The hydrogen like species, 2.18 into 10 to the power of 8 into z by n centimeter per second.